Accidents are common in workplace, so we created this video to promote safety in workplace. We will show you real clips as an example and will tell you how it happened and how to prevent it in each accident. Every clip is a reminder of safety at work. This worker's hand is caught under a press machine. A single mistake made while the machine was still active. Presses generate enormous force in milliseconds. That's why two-hand controls and safety guards exist. Never reach under a press, even for a moment, unless the power is fully cut and locked. Always respect the danger zone. The machine never forgives. This worker steps directly beneath a large press to make an adjustment, but in a moment, the press cycles, and he's trapped underneath. Press machines must never be entered or approached while active. Always engage the lockout and tagout procedures before any inspection or maintenance. This worker leans inside a printing machine, but the system isn't powered off. The cover closes and traps him inside. Maintenance or cleaning must never be done while a machine is active. Before entering any enclosed or mechanical space, always disconnect the power and use lockout-tagout procedures. During this lift, the crane's cable can't handle the weight. The structure collapses, crashing down toward the workers below. Workers escapes only by instinct, a second slower, and the result would have been fatal. When operating cranes or heavy lifts, always verify the load capacity and maintain a safe perimeter. This worker tries to fix a problem while the machine is still running. As he reaches in, the rotating parts grab his sleeve and pull him inside within seconds. No maintenance or adjustment should ever be done on moving machinery. Always shut down, lock out, and wait until all motion has stopped. In this foundry, workers lose control of molten metal during a pour. The liquid metal bursts out, scattering across the floor at over 1,000 degrees. This happens when temperature, balance, or pour angle aren't controlled correctly. When handling molten materials, precision and protective gear are non-negotiable. This worker bends down beside a running machine to pick up a fallen item, but as he leans closer, his arm gets caught in the rotating drum. It only takes a second of distraction for moving machinery to pull you in. Never reach near active rollers. Always stop the machine completely before retrieving anything. This worker reaches into a running rotation machine to grab a fallen piece, but the moment he leans forward, the machine catches his sleeve and pulls him in. Within seconds, he's trapped between the moving parts. Rotating equipment must never be approached while in operation. Always power down, lock out, and wait until motion has fully stopped. Safety waits for no shortcuts. This worker steps onto a moving conveyor belt, but within seconds the belt pulls him in. Conveyors may look slow, but their force is constant and unstoppable once they catch clothing or limbs. Always shut down and lock out conveyors before performing any maintenance. This worker stands too close to a rotating reel. A loose rope on the floor catches his foot, and the spinning drum begins to pull him in. Rotating machinery creates hidden hazards. Loose materials, clothing, or cables can be drawn in instantly. Always maintain a safe distance, keep the floor clear, and secure all loose items before approaching moving equipment.